Hey there! Today we're diving into a common networking problem that many of us can relate to. We're troubleshooting a pesky connectivity issue between a macOS host and a UTM guest VM. The problem manifests as sudden drops in connection, leaving the host unable to reach the VM. Our suspicion? A wonky routing table in macOS might be to blame. Now let's talk about the solution. Those strange gateway entries you spotted in the routing table output are likely resolved MAC addresses. In macOS, the gateway field actually specifies a MAC layer destination, not a network layer one. So, when you see something like gateway 192.168.178.1, it means the system will do an ARP lookup to find and send data to that MAC address, rather than the IP directly. Similarly, entries like link number 24 signify that the system will resolve the MAC address and then send data via the specified interface. This approach streamlines the process by combining routing and ARP caching into a single table. In summary, we've uncovered the quirks of macOS routing tables and how they handle MAC address resolution. Understanding these intricacies can help us diagnose and potentially fix networking interruptions between our host and VM. With that, I hope this insight helps you navigate similar networking challenges in the future. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Networking can be a maze, but together, we'll find our way out.